Good morning again. My name is Nikolai Adamovich. To be on the same page with our entrepreneurs, commercialization director 4 years ago, I started my own startup, Eventech, and let me tell you about our project and where we are. First of all, what does it mean event timing? To be very simple, it's a combination of real-time world clock with atomic clock accuracy plus endless number of stopwatches, and therefore we can take let's say endless, but better to say 20 million events per second in one and to work to combine all events as we need. Our solution based on new unique method, digital signal processing, and this method allows to use basic electronic components for high-class device with superior performance. It's like I can compare. We have device with all features as Ferrari class cars have. But this device built from parts as regular tractor built, and therefore reliability and price of these parts components extremely reliability is high, price is relatively small, and our device provides picosecond precision. And high measurement rate 20 megahertz. Just for your imagination, for 3 picoseconds, light speed can cross just 1 millimeter. It's extremely huge accuracy. Our first and main application right now it's laser ranging. It's used for positioning of satellites in space. I'm proud to say we already have global sales. We cover more than 50% of global market of satellite laser ranging. We sell electronics to Japan, to China, to the States, to Europe, to Finland, and so on and so on. And red cycles, you can see all satellite laser ranging stations as you look here. Equipped by our event time because it's the best solution in this class. Also we have several another terrestrial applications, but all of them very, very exotic. I believe you don't hear before about such industry like gravimetry or time synchronization and so on. But we have very initial sales here, but all our industry exotic because it's also we can compare. We have car with potential speed more than 2,000 kilometers per hour, and we can't find roads on the earth for testing our equipment. But there is demand for our precision, reliability, and relatively reasonable price. It's space. It's space, and we convinced the European Space Agency recently to sign contract with our company to create on-board event timer. It means timer will be located on satellites and will be used in the space. We signed contracts 2.5 months ago and started to do even our timer with rad-hard components. It's radiation protected, independent on temperature and so on, and relatively small compact size. Why space? Before that time, typical mention of people that space belongs to governments, but it's not true right now. In green color you can see commercial, private satellites in the world. In yellow it's governmental, and you can compare 10 years ago it was 1/3. Right now it's half of 1/4. Right now it's half of market. But governmental satellites it's huge and very expensive things, typically from 50 to 400 million per one. But commercial satellites, it's so-called nano and micro satellites, and we strongly believe there is space for and room for such startups as we are. But our device can't be used as standalone device, and we have to be part of some system. And we have several ideas, for example, and for that we are looking for space industry partners, and so definitely smart money. People who can help us to open doors and to suggest us how to install our future device in such complicated system as space ledger ranging, time synchronization, space lidars, and so on. We have several ideas, as I told. For example, atomic clock, which equipped in every big satellites. For small satellites, it's impossible to use. But having our event timers, a group of satellites can afford to have only one atomic clock on the ground and compare real time with it. Our estimated price will be 400,000 euros per satellite, what is relatively cheap, and we predict after a couple of years, when we finish our project with European Space Agency, to start to sell our devices numbers and money. But we need smart money right now, and we need our potential industry experts already right now. About competition, definitely we have competitors on the ground, but significant less accuracy and reliability, and we can't to compete with mass market competitors, and we are staying in our exotic markets. For space application, despite limited information, we heard about couple attempts, but with low precision, large size, and so on. We are a spin-off from Riga Institute of Electronic and Computing Science. Father of this technology, Yuri Nikolaevich Artyukh, passed away, but thanks to him, he created scientific school here in Riga, and we can continue his ideas. But we have vacancies in our team. It's all of them related with space. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you, Nikolai. I suggest we have a very short break, 5 minutes, just for some fresh air, and you can ask questions as well, entrepreneurs.